So I'd move those bubble tubers inside tonight if I were you.
Good advice, Wendy.
And now to our daily Beastly report. This week, our Magi zoologists are on the go reporting from Gwinnett County.
I believe that's Gwinnett, Wendy.
Oh ho, my mistake. Let's see what they're up to, shall we?
Salutations, Wendy and Alicia. I am Magizoologist at Large, Beatrix Wisp. I'm accompanied by my talented and knowledgeable assistant, Kendra Rabnott. Kendra and I are indeed braving the wilds of Gwinnett County on our perpetual pursuit of all creatures wild and wonderful, magical and mischievous. Today, we are traversing the shores of this bounteous body of water in search of the Grindilo, classification XX.
Beatrix, the Grindilo is indigenous to Ireland and Great Britain. I don't think we're gonna find any here in Gwinnett County, in Georgia, in the United States.
Oh, ye of little faith, Kendra. Have you not heard of invasive species? It's quite possible, nay, likely, that some Grindilo larvae may have maliciously meandered their way from native waters to a risky residence such as this pond here.
I don't know.
Oh, Kendra, I fear your dangerous disbelief is why you remain only an assistant. Allow me to alleviate you of your misgivings as I locate the very species in question. Why don't you share your knowledge of the Grindilo with our viewers? Limited though that may be.
All right, Grindilo begin life as larvae known as gripped.
Or polywiggles.
Right.
Oh, or candy poles.
Uh-huh. They are light green, but sometimes appear beige on film. They are small-sized aquatic creatures, and while some mer people have been known to keep these animals as pets, they are generally very aggressive towards humans, sometimes even with deadly consequences.
Eureka! I have found the lively larva of the Grindilo. Kendra, feast your doubting developing eyes upon this.
I'm pretty sure those are tadpoles.
Take care. Don't approach them too closely. The parents may yet be about, ready to snatch us up with their spindly fingers and strangle us beneath the surface of their watery lair.
I'll be sure to be careful.
You're welcome.
What?
Well, for saving your life, of course. You nearly walked into that Grindilo pool of death. Let this be a warning to all of our viewers who distractedly wander in too close to water this summer.
You literally told me to go over here and look at this.
Well, back to you, Wendy and Alicia.
Well, that was a close one.
It certainly got me thinking, Alicia.
That's all the news from Quibbler TV tonight. I'm Alicia Dawlish.
And I'm Wendy Lestrange. Good night.